never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Number 7, number 8, Samina Saba. Number 9, Malunggay. At number 10, Strawberry.
Ayan na.
Open the box.
Open the box daw, Manny.
Ayaw ka. Kung mag-deal, sabihin mo, anuhan ako ng isang lipstick. You want a heart? You want a heart? I give you heart. Heart. Hey! What?
Wow! Chewy, chuba, chuba, buwi.
Oh!
Chewy, chewy, chewy.
Manny.
Eh, Manny ba ito?
Manny ba?
Ay, kay Teo. Sorry. Nakasama sa Oh, this yours? Gusto ni Manny, you want this one? Hindi na lang natin kay Teo. Teo. Ay, ate, inaagaw. Gusto. O, gusto ni Manny. Naku po.
Manny na lang.
Turo mo kayo na si Manny. Ito, ano mo, Teo. Pakita mo kayo. Hoy, tignan mo si Manny. Ate Ruby, ate Ruby. Manny, ang ganda daw, oh. Gusto niya pala. Oh, you want this one, bebe? Kulay blue. Dito sa'yo. Eh, ang favorite ni Lolo Ping.
Ako
Kaso
rin.
wala na si Lolo Ping.
Favorite ko yan. Meron tayong ganyan.
Cappuccino. Uy, medyo na na-deform. Ay, Natalia, tsaka Lance pala to eh. Kay Charles. Si Manny, ba't wala daw siya? Oh, si Manny, sa Manny
Wala na sila
loob.
ako eh.
Oh. Okay, next. Pancake. Wow, ito na yung request ko. Almond flour. Very nice naman this one. Powder, solar. Ito, yay! Kailangan ko na ipakabit, ate. Oh, ito, walang pangalan. Okay, cheers. Cheers. Wow, Nutella.
Wow.
Yay! Sugar. Hindi, patikim-tikim lang yan. Quinoa, sarap to. Wow. Ito na lahat.
Si Cheers nga, minamani nga eh.
Ito naman mali. Chopstick set. Amor, Manny, ito para sa'yo. Ito para sa'yo. Ay, paper pa. Mamasugatan ka dyan. Wag mo Ayan na, nagre-report. Tapos na daw siya sa kalabasa niya. Hindi ko na videohan. Okay pa yung kalabasa except sa sitaw. Ginagawa mo. Ba, pasikat naman sa camera. Atras ka, move. Move. Ako si Almeida. Ito, hi guys. Ako po yung kapatid ni Kuya Manny. Ay, ang galit po sa si Kuya Manny. Ako po yung good dog. Manny, come. Si AJ, oh. Pasikat si AJ. Ano, talo ka niya. Natanggal ko.
And the rain falls on both the wicked and the good. Pero ang mahalaga sa puso mo, alam mo at kilala mo ang Diyos at kilala ka niya, kayo na lang. Good dog. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Come on. Come on, come on. Give me your paw. Okay. Squeak. Squeak. Walang sound. Squeak. Oh. massage session dito, guys. Ang sarap naman, oh. Ito po, oh, may nagpapamassage po dito, oh. Feel na feel, oh. Meron siyang dumating na masahista, oh. Wow! Enjoy. Sarap. Ba, may bayad yan, Manny. Oh, more pa.
Another rainy afternoon. I don't know what I'm to do. I just
Maghapang
miss
pala
you
yung
more
massage na
than
gano'n. Yung pala gusto ni Manny. Ubo. Parang na-hypnotize na yan, ah.
I'm just wasting
Tinan mo.
on the couch.
Ah!
I don't wanna feel anything.
Manny, sobra na yan. Ano na? Ah!
Stayed here beside
Wala na, katapos na gano'n. Patay ka hanggang mamaya yan.
Stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが永遠だって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められて変のやるリボン結んで可愛くして喋らん方が可愛いなって言うけど名前も知らんあんたのために笑ってるふり上手みんなだわ古い公園で doll goes missing A thousand three lights and the world keeps twisting Wrapped up in shades that are just blank faces おとなしくおとなしくおとなしく Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend
and to have money for security, for comfort, to fuel for the things, might be able to see things from a different perspective. You might be able to attract people who also think very generously, and you might eventually see your reality shift. Think of a diamond, for example. It is not the most rare gemstone, and it's not the most beautiful, for sure. This is something that we can start today, right now. Instead of asking, what's valuable in my life? Change it to, what do I want to make valuable in my life?
No, yun ang ginagawa mo na naman, nag-swimming. Akala mo naman malinis ang paa mo? Ha? Gusto mo palo? You want palo? Ito si Lady. Lady, gusto mo yung kapatid mo. Tutukan. Tutukan. Ano ang tinda? Wow, may panchwit. May panchwit, merong turon. And maruya. May kari. Gusto mo ng wrapper? Oh. Ito, Alisa. Kaso mainit. Dito ko lagay, ha? Ito na ang epektus. Dapat naka-AFM.
knees, the shoulders up towards the ears, up and down, as opposed to rotating them back down behind us. Off we go. So we're just going to get the circulation going now. And as we are marching, we're just looking at the posture again. There we go, it's working now. So make that a bit hard. Stand up. That's halfway through.
Naka-headband yarn. F na F niya, oh. Feel na feel niya. Aba, oh. Oh. Yes. Oh. Yan na lang, para pretty ka. Everyday. Di ba, Manny? Agree? No. Ay, 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 ay. Thank you sa hotdog, Alisa. Ayan guys, may girit-girit pa. Nangulubot nga.
Ba? May pasik, may kalamansi.
Ano masasabi mo?
Walang kabuhay-buhay.
Ano ba yan? Kala ko pa naman kanina. Wala na bang kasunod yung pala walang kabuhay po. Big boy yan. Pogi-pogi yan eh. Matapang yan eh. Wala na. Huwag ka nang matakot. Na-trauma kasi to eh. Maliit siya. Dala-dala na niya hanggang paglaki. Wow, ano ba? Tama na yun ah. Kalimutan mo na yung nakaraan.